The power of a simple conversation. Sofia was a young woman from a small village who had always dreamed of exploring the world. One day, while scrolling through her phone, she came across a video of a traveler speaking confidently in English, connecting with people from all over the globe. Sofia felt a spark of inspiration. If they could do it, why couldn't she? Determined, she began her journey to learn English. At first, it was overwhelming. Words like through and thought tangled her tongue, and grammar rules seemed like a puzzle with missing pieces. But Sofia had a secret weapon, her unwavering belief in progress through practice. Each morning, she stood in front of the mirror, introducing herself in English. "Hello, my name is Sofia. I am learning English." Though her accent was thick, she smiled at her reflection, proud of every word. Sofia also made a bold decision to join a local cafe that hosted weekly English conversation meetups. The first time she attended, she hesitated, her hands trembling as she held her coffee cup. But when a kind stranger said, "Don't worry, just try," Sofia took a deep breath and introduced herself. Her sentences were short and full of mistakes, but the group cheered her on. Slowly, her confidence grew. Week by week, she learned new phrases and picked up tips from others. That small moment was Sofia's turning point. It reminded her that learning a language wasn't about being perfect. It was about connecting with others and sharing ideas. From that day, Sofia embraced every opportunity to speak English, no matter how small or simple the conversation. Her world opened up in ways she had never imagined, all because she believed in herself and kept practicing. The lesson? Just like Sofia, anyone can learn English step by step. Mistakes are not failures, they're signs that you're trying and growing. Speak boldly, listen with curiosity, and let your dreams guide your words.